ask you this. If I walk into your repair shop and I've got a quote from a competitor, do you price match? Should you price match? I got to get into it with you. Buckle up because we're going to get started right now. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. If you are an auto repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and you'll be on your way. So I asked you if you should price match or do you price match. I just released this video and it's inspired a lot of different comments. But what I wanted to do here is give you the pros and the cons, because I can't tell you how to run your business, but look at it subjectively the way I'm going to lay it out for you here. And don't forget, leave your comments down below because I really want to hear your view on this. But there are two different frames of thought or ways of thinking about this. Let's jump into it right now. Hey, before we jump into the rest of this video, I don't think you know, I just updated the Auto Shop Marketing's most popular download on how to create your own kick butt offers, and I've now exposed the complete blueprint on how you can create and market your own kick butt offers so that you can generate car count, income, and profits anytime you want to. It's a simple 5-step process, and I reveal the secret of how to price your offer. Like, what should your kick butt offer really be priced at? I show you 3 simple changes that you can make to your very first offer so that you can use it any time of year, all year long. I show you how to use that offer to become the go-to expert in your market and how to add just one line to your offer that'll virtually double your response immediately. And if that's not enough, I've even included actual samples of kick butt offers that have been used by auto repair shop owners just like you. I'll even show you how to get 10x the response from any offer that you put out there, and you can even get access to a brand new training how to create and market your own kick butt offers and put car count in your shop in 6 days or less. Go ahead in the links below. Now let's get back to the video. Comment on the video come from Extra Mile Auto Service. Hey George, thanks for taking the time out to leave your comment. George said, very interesting concept, and we'll be trying this to see how it works. Many thanks for the idea. No, thank you, George. I really appreciate your time. But what George was talking about was the simple fact on that video, I talked about when I operated a repair shop and had competitive quotes coming to me. Typically, the issue was I was big in air conditioning. I was well known in my market. And I would easily and confidently tell the customer, I will beat any other price quote you get as long as it's for the same job. So let's jump back into the rest of these responses. Tri-City Auto Repair said, when someone asks if we can price match an online supplier, we engage them with a conversation about the downside with some online purchases. What happens when the part fails? Can you wait for a replacement for 3 days or more? What if you're on the road, like a road trip? Will they pay labor? Will they still be there? How will you find them if they say no to warranty? Do you have to buy a new one of those and hope they credit you when you get your damaged, worn, or broken one back? Do you have to pay shipping for warranties? When you buy our parts, you're covered. Great comment. Thank you very much. Before we get into the rest of this, though, there's one more I want to bring to your attention. Alan said, our policy is not to price match. It has been my experience that our competitors are not estimating the complete job. Our estimates are for the complete jobs, including parts, labor, materials, 3-year warranty on many jobs, and taxes. Our pricing is dependent on our overhead costs, parts, labor, tooling, and software costs, plus a reasonable profit. After all, we are in business to make profit. Alan, thank you for that comment. I really appreciate it. So let's look at this, should you, shouldn't you, but understand this. Number one is, no, I don't price match. I'm not going to spend the time and effort to go through it. I'll engage you in a conversation, tell you, and, bring up all the different things like, what do you do for warranty, all that stuff. I get it. Do you realize, though, if you look on the other side, where you say, yeah, you know what? I will do that. I will engage that customer. You're opening up a whole new opportunity with a new customer. Now listen, go ahead and leave your comments down below. I'm really interested to hear in what's happening in your market, but understand this. I can't show you how good my service is, how happy my staff is, how many people leave great reviews, or anything else if I don't have you as a customer. So what's the big question? Well, you have to be satisfied and answer this question. Do you want a customer to get a sale, or do you want a sale to get a customer? As much as I know they sound like they're the same thing, when you get a sale to get a customer, now you can put that customer into sequences and funnels that will follow up and prove to him that you are the ultimate supplier for auto repair services in your market. If he walks out the door, you don't have that chance. So I'm almost positive there's going to be reviews about how much time it takes. I get it. But just understand that if you close the door on that customer, you don't have the opportunity to show them how good you are because you've got none of their contact information. You would be better off standing out in the middle of the street and just pounding your chest and telling everyone how good you are, and no one's going to believe it anyways. Hey, if you're a repair shop owner and you want to double your car count in 89 days, check out the links below on my free course, How to Double Your Car Count in 89 Days. You'll get immediate access to over 2 hours and 20 minutes of video content, all broken up into small, bite-sized chunks, about 3 or 4 videos a day, delivered over 4 chapters. You'll get immediate, unlimited access, but I'm telling you now, it's not going to be free for long. So go ahead in the links below, check out that registration, and get started with How to Double Your Car Count in 89 Days. So ultimately, if you're still questioning, should I price match or I won't price match, you have to answer this question first. Do I want a customer to get a sale, or do I want a sale to get a customer? When you generate that sale, you now have a new customer in your shop, and you can introduce them to all the things that are great about your shop. Only thing you have to do right now is be sure you hit that subscribe button, and when you're finished this video, head over here, watch this video about the 3 simple strategies you need to understand marketing your repair shop in 2020, and then this video here about how one of my car count hackers, a one-man shop, did over $9,000 in bottom line profits. Show you how it's all done. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you for taking the time out. See you on the next video.